Hi! In front of me is Redmi Pad SE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to open Clock app and click on this clock icon at the top. Following that, before starting adding new alarm, hit those three dots at the top right corner. Select Settings and manage all of them however you want to. When you're done, click on this X at the top left corner of Settings pop-up. Now, to create new alarm, tap on this button with a plus at the bottom. Then set up an hour. When you're done, you need to decide if you wish to use this alarm only once or you wish to set up some repeat options. If you want to use it only once, you can click on this switcher next to Delayed After goes off to activate it. You can also select Repeat section instead and select one of those options: once, daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. So when I click on custom, I can set up days of the week manually and save them by hitting OK. Now click on ringtone. Tap on Apply next to one of those alarms and select OK in the pop-up to select it. You can also click on Choose Local Ringtone at the top and pick any music from your device. Just click on the song and select OK at the top right corner. Now click on Label, label your alarm however you want to if you want to, and hit OK. Lastly, to save your alarm, select this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To edit it, click on it, make some changes, and click on the same check mark again. If you wish to switch it off completely, use blue switcher next to it. Then tap on one of those options. In order to enable it, tap on the same, now gray switcher. Lastly, to get rid of your alarm, you need to hold it and hit Delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!